Hey guys, my name is Jessica. So I'm going to be walking you through a part of the dYdX trading experience that I think a lot of people overlook. I've been exploring the platform for a while, and honestly, it is one of the smoothest decentralized trading setups out there. So in this video, I'll just break things down bit by bit, just how it really works when you're trading on dYdX. I'm going to click on get started. I'm going to be using the Zerion wallet. So you click on it to connect your wallet, and the next step is to verify and sign in. After doing that, we're going to deposit funds into the dYdX. So we fund dYdX with USDC or any of the available chains. We have a lot of chains available for you to choose. We have the USDC Arbitrum, we have the Ethereum Arbitrum, we have the USDC Polygon, we have the USDC Base, we have the Ethereum, we have the Ethereum Base, we have the Polygon, we have the Ethereum Optimism, we have a whole lot. So it is left for you to choose anyone and fund, but the most preferred one is USDC on any of the available chains. You also need Ethereum on any of the EVM chain to pay for a little gas fee to deposit into the dYdX protocol. So for me, I'm going to be using the USDC Arbitrum. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to click on max. I'm going to max out. So here is one thing about dYdX. When you are depositing above $20, it is going to be instant and free. As you can see, it is clearly written here. But if it is less than $20, for example, I'm trying to deposit $19, it will take not less than 19 minutes with a little gas fee. We're gonna be charged, as you can see. So I highly recommend you fund your dYdX above $20 for instant and free deposit, smooth and very fast. So I'm gonna max out. So we're gonna click on deposit funds. It will switch the network, and next step is to approve USDC on Arbitrum for first time deposits. Thus, we use Ethereum Arbitrum to pay for the fee of approval. Next is to confirm deposits. And as you can see from the screen, the network fee is $0.01 Ethereum on Arbitrum chain. Then you confirm your deposit, and the deposit is in progress. It doesn't really waste time. It doesn't waste time to go through. So the the deposit is completed. You see that's very fast. So the next step is our deposit is here $25. So the next step is how to start trading on dYdX. So this is what you have to do. You choose any of the markets. As you can see, the leverages of each market are highlighted beside the market pair. BTC has up to 50x leverage, same as Ethereum. XRP has 10x, and so on. We have over 200 plus markets available to trade on dYdX, and every day new markets keep joining the platform. That's very incredible. Shout out to dYdX. So we are going to start with BTC. For example, this is the mobile web page. You're gonna notice a little difference from the desktop web page in terms of buying power. Buying power and leverage are basically the same thing. As you can see, I have a buying power of $1,278, and this is equivalent to 50x leverage, because 50x is the highest market available on dYdX now. How can you get this buying power? In order to get this buying power, we're going to do some calculations. We are going to multiply 50x our leverage by our margin, and our margin here is 25.58, right? So we're going to calculate now. We are going to do 50 times 25.58, which will give us 1,279, which is equivalent to what we have as buying power. So if we want to long or short BTC by 50x leverage, you open the pair, you choose the long or short. I think the market is bearish, so we're going to follow the market trend and go with shorts. So if you want to go with 50x leverage, you max out your buying power, which you're going to be using to pay for trading fee of $0.51 for this particular buying power. We can also reduce it if you want to go with 25x leverage, and we're going to do our calculations now. $25.58 is our margin and 25x our leverage. We're going to multiply the both, and it's going to give us 639.5, which will be our buying power to open the 25x leverage. We're going to estimate it to 640. So 640 is our buying power, and fee is just $0.25, which is half of our $0.51 we saw earlier for the 50x leverage. In case you still want to reduce your leverage, this is how you go about the calculation. In case you want to reduce this to 10, 15, this is how you go about the calculation. You're gonna multiply it by your margin. Okay, very good. So we are going to go on with the trade, and we are going to enter the shorts instant placement. Wow, this is futures. You are buying with an added margin. Your normal $25 can't open such position, but because this is perpetual market, you're buying with an added money. That is why you need leverage. Leverage is very important. So this is our entry, $115,311. So this is our entry point. So now, this is the size, the value, the entry, and our liquidation. We're going to add triggers to minimize losses and secure profits. So let's do that. So I'm going to add my take profit, which is also known as TP. I'll be putting it, and I'm gonna add stop loss. So my take profit is gonna be $115,100, and my stop loss, I think I'm gonna put $115,400. As you can see from my profit, I'm already on profit, and my profit is low due to the margin that I used. Anyway, it's not bad, and you can see the loss there. So this is the amount we're gonna lose. So we're gonna add the trigger. All right, all done, and now I think business is looking good already. Yeah, that's a nice thing. Yeah, so this is basically what you need to know on your trading journey with dYdX. This is basically how to get started, and that wraps up my first tutorial video. I hope it made things a bit clearer for you. If you're also trading on dYdX, let me know what part of the platform you want me to cover next. I appreciate you for watching, and remember, keep learning, keep trading smart. See you in the next one. Thank you.